us they believe you say because they don't teach us from small say one day it will be you. But the statistics, the real statistics wey be say you fit rise from poverty to that kind of level is higher than winning the lottery. Go and check the maths. That's why every generation we dey, every generation, after all of us run the race, maybe 2 people go make am out of 10. I mean out of 100, maybe 2 go make am. Out of those 2 wey make am, they go carry 4 to work for them. The remaining 94 move back to village, move back to where they from come. Police go shoot them, they go dey for street. That's why every generation cycle. Many men wey I know for wey I small go wey be alaye high everything. You say this mama don even reach there. 20 years later you go see am for street, poor, broke, dirty, hustling again. Wetin e mean to be human being for this world? Must you be the richest man in the world? Only black man is wey they give that body. Say if you're not the richest man in the world, don't deserve respect. If you enter room, you don't get money pass everybody, you don't deserve respect. Why they set am up like that? Why is the country set up like that? Now the kind of questions we suppose to ask ourselves be that. Is it okay for me as a young man to just get job, get nice apartment, fit take care of my family, pay my bills, and when I no fit, government assist me? I can further my life, chase my dreams, believe in wetin I want, and imagine, you know, open my mind. No, all black people from the age of 15, 16 were already thinking of millions of dollars. Why? Why were they distracted from our humanity? But how did they happen? Because of the elites, the business and political elite of this country. They plan and well. Let them own everything. TV, control all the TV, all the radio, the newspaper, all the pastors, all the school. And when you go to these places, they will make you feel like say you be nothing if you don't get money. When you own TV, young boys like you, they don't relate to your reality. They sell you their own reality. And at the same time, they don't even advise you like say, but they send out to you like say, if you don't get what I get, you be mugu. Your life don't finish. Everybody for Africa when they successful, how they take show services, they are the elite of this country. You see, if you go Europe and America and you ask their elites, what do they take this successful? Now their country they will show you as their success. They will show you their country. So you see, this is, come Nigeria, ask the elite of Nigeria or black leadership for America, all the black people they look up to anywhere in this world. Why do this? How are you successful? Now by the amount of European and American things we get. Yes. How many of our rich people, political, powerful men, all of them in this country can show their power without fiat currency or consumerism? How many of them will show their success without their big house? If you ask them, say, why are you successful? The only thing they can show you is their big house, their plenty car, their plane. Finish. They don't show you one institution where they don't create, where they benefit the entirety of this country. When musicians like me travel all over the world, press will ask them, Oyibo, because Oyibo know, you know what they do. They watch. So, what do you want to say about your country? Because they go say, well, me I only like to talk about the good things in my country. You know, my country is fine. You know, some people are suffering. We know that. We know that. Like say, you know, in Nigeria we are 180 million, 160 million are suffering. Like the year, 160 because everybody dey live for Lagos, some people dey for Port Harcourt, all of us fit say na we be Nigeria. Nigeria is all the people in the villages. Anybody here go, no matter how you dey suffer for Lagos, you no fit go stay for your village because that suffer different. No matter the ghetto wey you dey Lagos for wherever inside gutter dey pass, you sef no wan go back to your village. You sef because you know say but they make calm to be sure they destroy our connection to ourselves. So once you don move to Lagos, first of all you go believe say that one na one kind blessing. They come make am to make sure say we dey disconnected from the urban. So and people for village no get money. They no get any of these foreign things to wear to show to get respect. You understand? So we no even dey see them. Now these elites with all their big things wey dem dey show to their for their money, look us well. They wan make we sef be like that to ourselves. Why? And they bring this thing to one important point. Because this thing, they don't attack am since they born you as a black man. From when you go school, they tell you say Mungo Park discovered the River Niger. People don't know the meaning of that kind of teaching. Now they always tell my daughter, you know, when she come back from school, she go talk some kind of school thing. Daddy, Jesus Christ died for us. I go look up. Daddy, there. I say, come. Adara, you can be saying all these things, but I want you to know one thing. The answer is not the truth. Now the programming wey dey our own mind for Nigeria people. Even they don't teach you for class, when you don't carry pen write answer, you don't take that answer as the universal truth of life. Whatever you don't take answer question. So all of them wey do CRK, and even when you say Jesus Christ is not the Son of God, when you don't take an answer question, start don mark am. Wetin you dey talk? So wetin e mean when you go tell 5-year-old child say Mungo Park discovery, 7-year-old black child say Mungo Park discovered the manager? You dey tell am say all the black people wey dey that place, wey dey baff inside the river every day, swim inside the river every day, drink the river water, fish. Na dey even show Mungo Park the river where e pass go enter Lokoja, go enter Atlantic Ocean. They are too stupid to know say na river. So we have the kind thing wey dey put on black identity be that. If you see black person wey get money, na thief. The criminality of the black identity.